Hello, my friends, and welcome to another episode of the StrottSHOW. My name is Michael Carroll, Vice President of Strottner Designs, your San Antonio-based boutique marketing firm that will make you the most incredible brand identity you've ever searched for, or the most spectacular website design you've been looking for, or get you to the top of Google search rankings through a variety of mechanisms. Today's a big show. It's our 51st episode, which has a basically meaningless number, except this is the episode where we discuss the differences between WordPress, Wix, and Squarespace. So I'm not going to keep you in suspense. We're going to dive right into this. Why don't we do it? WordPress versus Wix versus Squarespace. Which website builder reigns supreme? As a professional or entrepreneur in a digital age, see, we had a little fun with that. You know that a website is your virtual storefront. It's where your potential customers stroll in, check out your services, and hopefully hit that big, shiny buy contact button. But the question is, which platform do you choose to build this website? Three names typically come up: WordPress, Wix, and Squarespace. Yeah, spoiler alert, there is no one-size-fits-all answer, but there is a right answer based upon our 22 years of experience. It's like picking between coffee, tea, or that mysterious energy drink your colleague swears by. Each has its own flavor and kick, but some cause kidney damage. Don't worry, we are here to break it down for you with a sprinkle of humor. I think I'm funny. Ease of use, your learning curve meter. WordPress, the choice of professional design companies. WordPress is like Legos for grown-ups. Want to build something simple? Sure. Want to build a spaceship? Absolutely. But brace yourself because you'll need to figure out the right pieces: themes, plugins, widgets. It's got a steep learning curve, but once you master it, you'll be building pages like a pro. That's why the pros, like us at Strottner Designs, have made WordPress the content management system of choice for building client websites. We're not alone. Approximately 40% of the websites found worldwide use WordPress. So pros: total control, highly customizable. Cons: expect to spend time Googling, how do I fix my broken WordPress site? Or, again, contact us. Wix, the drag and drop darling. Wix is your friendly neighborhood drag and drop builder. Think of it like putting together IKEA furniture without the Allen wrench. You drag elements onto your page, drop them in place, and voila, a website's born. No coding required, no sweat, no real difference between your site and other beginners. So the pros: extremely easy to use with plenty of templates. Cons: limited customization options compared to WordPress. It's more like a do it for me rather than do it my way builder. And Squarespace, templated simplicity. Squarespace is the MacBook of website builders. Sleek, intuitive, beautiful out of the box, and every one of them looks alike. It's designed for those who want a polished website without the technical sophistication or unique look of a WordPress. Like Wix, it's drag and drop, but the templates are nicer and geared towards creative professionals. So the pros: nice looking templates and easy to use. Cons: less flexibility than WordPress for customization. Every design is a templated design. 2. Customization. How much freedom do you really have? With WordPress, the world is your oyster. With over 55,000 plugins, WordPress can do anything except make you coffee. From e-commerce to SEO to full-on membership sites, WordPress lets you customize almost anything. If you're someone who likes to tinker and tailor, WordPress gives you the, I don't know why I wrote that. WordPress gives you the flexibility to do that. The catch: you'll need some coding knowledge or the patience to learn it, or the services of a professional firm like Strottner Designs. Wix, training wheels included. Wix gives you customization to a point, which means it doesn't. It's drag and drop. Editor is intuitive, but there's a limit to how deep you can go. Think of it like painting a house. You can choose the colors and maybe some trim, but don't expect to knock down walls and add extensions. Squarespace, customization for the aesthetic enthusiast. Squarespace's customization is best described as controlled creativity. You can change things up, but only within the stylish framework they give you. Want to color outside the lines? Squarespace gently nudges you back inside with a raised eyebrow, like your second grade teacher. However, for many, that's a good thing, especially if design isn't your strong suit. Now let's talk pricing. This is a critical question that comes up all the time. WordPress. Pay for the design if you use a designer, like Strottner Designs. So WordPress is free, sort of. The software itself costs nothing, but you'll need to pay for hosting, a domain name, and possibly some premium themes or plugins. If you're bootstrapping your business, WordPress can be cost-effective, but if you start adding fancy features, those bills can add up quickly. Clients that work with Strottner Designs are paying for our 22 years of experience. There is no recurring design cost. Only hosting in your domain are paid more than once, but that is true for every site. And generally, free plugins provide the functionality you're looking for. Wix, the buffet model. Wix has a freemium pricing model, meaning there's a free version. Woohoo! And that's ad supported. Ooh. If you want to remove those ads and get a custom domain, you'll need to upgrade to one of their premium plans. It's a bit like paying for extra toppings on your pizza. Plans on Wix range from $14 to $39 a month, depending upon features. But if you stop paying, you revert to the free version. No matter what, you still have hosting and domain costs. And Squarespace, premium vibes only. Squarespace skips the free tier entirely. There is no sample. You pay a monthly fee, but in return, you get a gorgeous, ad-free website with hosting and a domain included for the first year. It's like an all-inclusive resort with fewer margaritas. Plans start at $16 to $54 a month, and if you stop paying, your site stops existing. How about Google? How does Google feel about these three platforms as far as SEO? Well, WordPress is the SEO powerhouse. It is hands down the most SEO-friendly platform out of the three, especially with plugins like Yoast SEO. It gives you full control over metadata, URL structures, and other SEO settings, which is crucial for anyone looking to dominate the search rankings. Wix is getting better, but still needs work. They've improved in their SEO, but it's not quite WordPress's league. It has a basic SEO whiz tool that covers the essentials, but if you're really serious about climbing the Google ranks, you will find Wix limiting. And Squarespace, simple yet effective. Squarespace is no SEO slouch, but like Wix, it's more suited to beginners. It handles SEO basics well, but you don't get as much granular control as you do with WordPress. That said, for some small businesses or creative professionals, Squarespace's SEO tools will get the job done, as long as that job doesn't include a first page ranking on Google. Bringing my David Spade Hollywood Minute vibe today. Customer support. This is important too, especially if you're in the DIY section. With WordPress, you're on your own, unless you're a Strottner Designs client. Because it's open source, there's no dedicated customer service line, but you have access to an extensive community of developers, forums, and tutorials. It's like surviving in the wild with a backpack full of tools. You'll find what you need, but you're going to work for it. At Strottner Designs, we offer multiple concierge plans that will handle the support for you, a dedicated contact form on our site, and we provide a user manual. Wix, the concierge desk. Wix has a robust customer support system with live chat, email, and phone support, depending on your plan. If you run into trouble, you can usually get help pretty quickly, which is a relief if you're not keen on troubleshooting yourself. Squarespace has great support. They offer 24/7 email support and live chat during business hours. It's generally regarded as having excellent customer service with agents who won't make you feel like you're asking dumb questions, even if you kind of are. So, who is our winner? Which is superior? WordPress is ideal for professionals who need full customization, are willing to learn the ropes, or hire someone who already knows them. It's perfect if you plan to scale your business, need specific features, or want to achieve excellent SEO results. Wix is great for solo entrepreneurs who want a quick, hassle-free website with minimal setup. If you're in a rush, don't care about deep customization or Google results, Wix is a reliable choice. Most Wix users become Strottner clients that have a WordPress-based sites if they desire growth. And Squarespace is the go-to for creatives and business owners who want a beautifully designed site like other sites with minimal effort. It's perfect for those who prioritize aesthetics over results, are okay with fewer customization options, and again, a lack of Google presence. So in the end, choosing the right platform is like choosing the right tool for the job. If you're building a massive empire, a local restaurant, a legal practice, or a medical practice with multiple locations, WordPress is your best bet. If you're setting up shop and want it done yesterday, go with Wix. If you need something that brings the sizzle over the steak, Squarespace will make you look like a design savant. So what should you do next? If you've read this far, it's no secret that at Strottner Designs, we favor WordPress, and we've built over 500 websites using this platform. While it may be considered free, it has taken 20 years to gain the knowledge and skill we bring to bear on website design and our SEO clients. When you consider using WordPress yourself and then reach out to us instead, just remember the story of Picasso and the napkin. Oh, you don't know it. This apocryphal tale has it that Picasso was at a Paris market when an admirer approached and asked if he could do a quick sketch on a paper napkin. Picasso politely agreed, promptly created a drawing, and handed back the napkin, but not before asking for 1,000,000 francs. The lady was shocked. "How can you ask for so much? It took you 5 minutes to draw this." "No," Picasso replied. "It took me 40 years to draw this in 5 minutes." So just consider what you are getting with the cost and value associated with each of these platforms. If you're getting serious, then you know that all businesses have costs, and your website is definitely not the area to cut them. So contact us at support@strottner.com to learn more. And you remember, you can audit your site on literally any page of the website at this point. I've been looking forward to this video. I think it's incredibly important. We run into these questions a fair amount. I have a Wix website, I have a Squarespace website, and the answer is very clear depending upon how seriously you take your business. Is it your livelihood? Is it a side hustle? Do you have multiple employees? Is it just you? These are critical factors that you have to consider along with budget. I hope that you have found this a useful application of your time. Useful use of your time sounds terrible. I want to thank you for spending time with me today. Leave a comment. Just a question and a comment. Hat tip to the old Nerdist podcast for that one. Watch that or listen to that in years. Anyway, I'm getting off track as I typically do. My name is Michael Carroll, Vice President at Strottner Designs. I want to thank you for hanging out with me today. Look forward to seeing you at our next video. In the time between that, be good. And if you can't be good, make sure that you be careful. Have a great day.